FNI creates loan origination software that satisfies the needs of customers through multiple platforms, multiple industries, as a way of beginning that process of applying for credit.
And there are two primary products. The first one is called Blueprint, and then the second is DecisionCore. DecisionCore, as the name suggests, is the industry's leading decision engine. So at the center of loan automation is decisioning, and we've got a really, really cool, robust decision engine designed to be leveraged by large custom shops via APIs, or by our second product, Blueprint, which is our off-the-shelf, configurable, highly flexible LOS platform.
So DecisionCore allows us to do two things. We can use the API functionality that the product has to connect with all different types of data sources as they emerge, right? So whenever some company comes up with a fancy new data source which we could use in credit decisions, we know that DecisionCore can API into that very easily. And the way that it's built, we can configure the credit model ourselves. We don't need any assistance with that. That creates incredible flexibility, and it also allows us to be flexible for different types of products, for different types of retailers, even for different geographies and things like that.
As we start across the top, you're going to see the names of the applicant and the co-applicant, and then some configurable items, such as how old is the application, what are their FICO scores. You might have DTI information up there. All of these bars are configurable. Let's go to the right-hand side. Again, it's configurable. You'll have your key stats there, reference number, receive date. If dealer information is important for your analyst to know, that can be put there as well. The next section under that is who the application is assigned to or has been assigned to. Who is responsible for data entry, who is the underwriter, who is the funder, who it's currently assigned to. Then there's the decision section, what we are actually going to do with the application next. We have a drop down to set the next status, the ability to unassign it, close it, save it, submit it, basically how to move the application forward next. On the left is a list of all the tabs of information that might be available on the application. Applicant data, co-applicant data, bureau information, third-party information, history, etc.
We don't know yet what kind of customer experience is going to end up being the most prevalent. It's one of the most interesting things about this industry right now. There's loads of people trying lots of different models, and it's always a balance for the lenders between making it super easy so the customer gets approved and funded as quickly as possible, but then getting enough information and having a robust enough process to mitigate risk and make good credit decisions. Our philosophy has to be, what can we do? You know, we're not a technology company. What can we do knowing that there's all this uncertainty to remain as flexible as possible in the medium term? And that's why we're partnering with FNI in a lot of ways, because we have the core platform which FNI provides, and we can use that and put on lots of different technologies around it that different vendors have. So basically, whichever model on the front end winds up being the most successful, we should be fine either way, if that makes sense.
Our applications are able to help capture and then process in a highly automated way, even contactless or fully automated decisioning in real time, designed for the new consumer.